Hi everyone. Primal forces on two wheels. It's a strange phenomenon. We always think of dinosaurs as green. But we're not talking about cuddly dinosaurs or dusty fossils. The Raptor is a predator, and with the Raptor force we took the risk of expressing elemental forces on two wheels. Admittedly, it could have been the color that gave us the idea. Our customer wanted the same green we used for our green booster. So our concept evolved coherently from one detail to the next. Our Thunderbike wheels are definitely our trademark. It made sense to replace the fossilized Lakester rims of the standard 2023 Fatboy with something a little snappier. We have that in our program. Don't the spokes on our Big Speed wheels evoke a very lively predator? They're bicolored, as if the fangs were gleaming, and with a huge size of 23 inches at the front and 21 inches at the rear. They alone are likely to evoke primal fear in a dreamy observer. But that's enough about the power of language for now. Let's get down to the nitty-gritty. The 23-inch front wheel needed a bigger disc, and with a diameter of 340 mm, our Big Speed disc is bigger, and with an adapter from us, the original Harley calipers fit. Despite the 5-inch larger front wheel, the caster is correct thanks to the lowering of our powder-coated fork. Our front fender adapts to the intake. We mounted the Hollywood Light 32 handlebars to the old-style risers, which are as wide as a bird of prey. The satin finish grips resemble the scales of a dinosaur, and the stripe indicators hidden underneath are barely noticeable. In our prehistoric times, not only did those with powerful looks survive, they also had to be good at camouflage and deception. That is why dinosaurs with turn signals did not prevail in the selection mechanisms of nature. For the rear end of the Raptor, we went all out. Our single-sided swing-arm kit is one-armed, allowing a view of the 21-inch Big Speed rear wheel on the right side. The left side is equally impressive. This is where we mounted our perimeter brake. Anyone who doesn't dream of elemental forces at this side has no imagination. Our side license plate holder exposes the Raptor's 260 mm rear leg. It gives the Predator the jumping power it needs in the wild. The steel fender above is made of metal, and the indicators and fender are also well concealed in it. The seat shell with custom-made saddle and ancient-looking diamond pattern is adapted to this. What we have also adapted is our luggage rack. We're not showing it here because we're offering you the clean line for the show. But it can be easily attached to the bolts under the saddle. Then our Raptor really does have the survival capacities required in the wilderness of the new millennium. The Shorty Big Shot silencer system from Jekill and Hyde also offers survivability. It is completely legal and will protect you from today's uniformed predators. The manifolds and the forward-mounted satin footrest system are adapted to it. The airbox cover, clutch cover and ignition cover are from our torque line. They feature our Thunderbike logo. Thanks for watching.